name is Cody Fulmer, and I'm the founder of Modern Spare. I started this business out of a problem that I encountered myself and was looking for a solution to, and unfortunately couldn't find it. I was planning a road trip with a group of friends who also loved cars, had Corvettes, and we were planning a route that didn't so much have any civilization in it, or gas stations, or self-service, or really anything to save us if we got ourselves in a bind. The Corvette would even be a little bit of a worse situation because they're very low vehicles that are hard to get on a tow truck. Tire sizes are not readily available. There was no spare on the market for them. I discovered that about a third of the car models produced today do not have a spare tire, which doesn't leave drivers with a lot of peace of mind. Ultimately, what we came up with was an aluminum alloy wheel that is exclusive to us, and what that does is it allows the use of a spare tire on performance or luxury vehicle that has larger brakes. We found a tire that's made by a great manufacturer that has a lot of the same capabilities as a full-size tire. What we came up with in addition to that wheel and tire is an incredibly simple jack that is easy to use. That, along with the carrying case, make it more or less like a piece of luggage, and with all of that fitting in there, it provides a very compact and quick solution to a problem that could otherwise cost a vehicle owner upwards of $1,000.